In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly log into your Yahoo Mail account. Whether you're using a computer via a web browser or the convenience of the Yahoo Mail app on your smartphone, this guide will walk you through these simple steps to access your inbox quickly. First things first, let's open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you feel comfortable with. If you're on the go and using a mobile device, you can alternatively open the Yahoo Mail app. It's a good idea to ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed for optimal performance and security. Regular updates may include important security fixes and new features, so keeping your apps updated is a wise choice. Once your browser or app is open, navigate to Yahoo's email login page by typing https://mail.yahoo.com into the address bar at the top of your browser, and then hit enter. If you're using the Yahoo Mail app, launch it as you normally would from your home screen or app drawer. We've arrived at the login screen now. Here you'll see a place to enter your Yahoo email address. Type it in carefully, making sure that every character is correct. Mistyping your email can lead to login issues, but don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always go back and fix it. Once you've entered your email address correctly, proceed by clicking on the next button. This will take you to the password entry stage. At this point, you need to type in your Yahoo account password. As you do this, ensure that your keyboard caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case sensitive. It's important to be precise with each letter, number, or symbol in your password because any discrepancy will prevent a successful login. For added security, it's a good habit to keep your password confidential and not share it with others. When you're confident you've entered your password correctly, click the Sign In button. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your Yahoo inbox, where you can view all your emails. Here, you can read new messages, compose emails, or manage your email settings. If at any point you encounter issues signing in, there are options on the login page to assist with password recovery or to retrieve your username. With these steps, accessing your Yahoo Mail becomes straightforward and ensures you can stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues through your email. I hope this guide makes the process clear and simple to follow. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.